Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in, so start by going straight to YouTube Studio and selecting Content then Videos. Click the video you need. Once the Details page loads, make sure to look at the top URL bar or click Share. The actionable bit, copy the link that appears. If you see a long URL with v equals or a shortened URL, link, copy it now. This gives you the identifier you'll extract in the next step. Once you have the link, find the 11-character ID. If the URL contains v equals, take the characters right after v equals until an ampersand or the end. If it's URL, / then copy what follows the slash. Make sure you do not include extra parameters like and t equals or playlist tags. Once done, paste that exact string into any tool or form that asks for a YouTube video ID. This is the reliable content identifier you'll use downstream. Now confirm the ID works. Build a watch URL such as youtube.com/watch, v equals yorid and open it, the video should load. Then cross-check in YouTube Studio Details or Analytics that the title, date, and length match. If the link redirects to a channel or shows an error, clear cache or open an incognito window and copy the address bar directly, this fixes redirect issues. If you still can't load the video, ensure the video isn't private or region blocked, which prevents standard access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.